Hello, where we share tips and tricks for the most green-thumbed among us. Today, we're diving into the world of monstera care, specifically, how to help your monstera plant grow bigger and faster. 1. Let's kick things off with watering. Monsteras love a good drink, so make sure you're watering them regularly. But don't overdo it. Too much water can cause problems. Remember to let the soil dry between waterings. 2. Sunlight is key for any plant, but monsteras love basking in bright, indirect sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. Balance is important here. Don't put your plant in direct sunlight, as this can scorch the leaves or cause leaf burn. 3. Nutrients are essential for growth. You can use a balanced fertilizer once every 4 weeks if you want to boost growth even more. Just remember not to overdo it, as this can damage your plant. 4. Prune regularly to encourage new growth and prevent leggy leaves from developing. It may seem counterintuitive, but pruning helps the plant focus its energy on new growth instead of old leaves. 5. Choose the right pot size. Upsizing too soon can lead to root rot. So be patient and let your monstera grow into its new home before moving it onwards and upwards. 6. Finally, humidity is crucial for monstera growth. Aim for a 60–70 humidity level by misting your plant, or using a humidifier nearby if needed, especially during winter months. Remember, growing plants takes time and patience, but with these tips, you should start seeing results in no time. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more green thumb goodness. Until next time, happy gardening!